In this video, we are going to do a brief history of JD Edwards. In 1977, Ed McVaney, Jack Thompson, and Dan Gregory opened JD Edwards & Company in Denver, Colorado as a software consulting company working primarily with small and medium-sized businesses using the HP 3000 and IBM System 34 mid-range technologies. Bob Newman joins as the fourth principal in July of 1978, and JD Edwards begins to grow and deliver custom and semi-custom solutions using the new IBM System 38, a platform that can be deployed without the need for system programmers and all integrated into a single operating system. Between 1981 and 1985, JD Edwards opened 6 regional sales and service offices, and they focused on extensive development of the System 38 solution. 3 important user-defined flexibility techniques were engineered into the solution, including the soft coding of screen presentation, introducing processing options which allow for software behavior flexibility, and user-defined fields which allow companies extensive opportunity to categorize and segment their information. Along with these 3 innovative techniques, another discipline engineered into the JD Edwards development is the architectural consistency in the solutions. So while content may be changed from AR to, say, AP, the user experience and the underlying flow of the solution remains consistent. In 1985, the World System Solution premieres, and over the next 10 years, JD Edwards turns to enhancing the functionality and capabilities of the World Solution. In 1989, they entered into the European market and added multi-currency, multi-language, and country support. In 1992, JD Edwards Development starts to investigate additional emerging technologies beyond the AS400, and in November of 1995, JD Edwards officially announces their One World solution. They introduced the graphical user interface and distributed computing client-server solution, along with the June 1996 introduction of Configurable Network Computing, or CNC, and are now able to provide the preferred solution across multiple different technologies. The CNC architecture goes one step further in providing the advantages of a soft-coded solution, as now JD Edwards can support multiple databases and multiple technology platforms. Also in 1996, management makes the decision to consolidate the team to one location and breaks ground for the new corporate campus in the Denver Tech Center. Then in September of 1997, JD Edwards announces the initial public offering for its common stock. The IPO was successful and provided substantial funding for JD Edwards' continued growth. Then, in October of 2000, JD Edwards unveiled One World XE. It was an extended solution that delivered a stable, proven enabling solution that incorporated the advanced capabilities required by the ERP or enterprising system market buyers. In 2003, PeopleSoft and JD Edwards merge, and in the next year they are bought by Oracle. In 2003, the One World software was renamed Enterprise One. In the fall of 2005, they announced a lifetime support policy for the JD Edwards product market. Then, in early 2006, Oracle JDE delivered a pure Internet architected solution. Then in the spring of 2008, Oracle JDE Solutions embraced open standards and the SOA, or the Service-Oriented Architecture, as part of the JDE offering. In the fall of 2011, Oracle JDE announced support for the Apple tablet, and in the spring of 2012, Oracle JDE introduced the OneView reporting functionality. At the end of the life cycle of Enterprise 9.1, JD Edwards updates the user interface to the new Alta interface, along with the introduction of new user-defined objects known as UDOs. These devices become an integral part of the upcoming releases to solve the issues companies were having with the needs to customize their existing software. In 2015, Enterprise One 9.2 applications and tools are released, fully integrating UDO technology with the introduction of UX1, using pre-built role pages and using new tools such as the Page Composer and Cafe One layouts. Additionally, the Orchestrator is introduced, bringing a new level of automation and connection to IoT devices and infinite possibilities for companies. Between 2016 and 2020, JD Edwards continued to roll out tools enhancements and application updates and expansions to the market. The cloud infrastructure moves into place at this time. In 2020, Oracle announced that JD Edwards support would continue until at least 2030. There has been significant progress to the JD Edwards software solutions, and we should expect many more over the next decade.